All right. Welcome everyone. Welcome to a beautiful session here at the New York session, New York stream. And today should be a very easy, simple day because we have no news happening. We had a move happen yesterday on pound yen, which dropped price, right? Looking at gold here as well. Gold rallied up yesterday. Don't mind these positions I have taken. These were test positions I took earlier on because we were testing the so I lost about 17 cents. So we were testing the web trader we just launched for Dominion Markets. So yeah, big things happening now. Looking at gold, gold is in a very interesting situation, a very interesting spot. And the reason why, and this is something I explained in the breakdown I posted in Slack as well. Now we've made a high. We've made a new high in this range. And if we do break above 1710, this is a 50 pip range for price to continue pushing up, right? And we've also created a support on the 30-minute time frame. Let's take a look on the 15 minutes. So yeah, see, now this looks pretty good. If we break above 1710, I think there's a very good possibility for price to continue pushing up. If we break above 1710, right? So potential buys, I would say potential buys above 1710 on gold, right here, right? Potential buys. Now let's take a look at for potential sells below 1707. This is a 28 pip range, so buys look way better. They seem way better than sells. So we're gonna wait over here now, right? Especially because we got this minor resistance to the left hand side on the 15-minute time frame. Did you take GJ trade? No, I didn't take any trades here today. I didn't find any trades, so I didn't basically take any trades. Oh wow, look at that on the 1 hour time frame. This would have been a very good trade here. Oh my god, yeah, no, I missed it. Didn't take it. Didn't take any trades today. Didn't fake any trades today. So I think the best position for pound yen now is going to be to probably retest this low, but this is a 28-30 pip range, so I think it's going to be pretty good. It's going to be pretty good looking at 15-minute time frame. Yeah, if we can break below this low, we'll see. But I don't like this because we consolidated here before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We consolidated right here, so it's going to be very, very tough to maybe anticipate price. But looking at gold, potential buys above 1710 is something I'm very, very interested in. So let me make this a little bit smaller. Parameters, probably make it 16. Yeah, potential buys above 1710. This is something that I'm really, really interested in. Buys above this area to continue pushing up. Why did you not enter on the break of the gold, on the break of gold or the break of GJ? Because I was busy working. That's why. Gold didn't make sense because we had a lot of consolidation to the left hand side, so I didn't really bother with that. Pound yen, if I was looking at it, I think this would have been a really, really, really good move to break below 167, 630, 640. It would have been an amazing move. Would have made about $300-400 on that. But CPI is tomorrow? ? Well, Adam Lombardo, I mean, come on, man. That shouldn't be even a question. That's like a question. Oh, is the sky blue? Is the sky blue once we look up? Come on. Break of the previous weekly high. Oh, nice. Yep. Very nice. So yeah, let's just wait over here. I'm confused. You uploaded potential setup on Twitter, but how come you did not act on them when they happened? I was busy, man. I'm a busy guy. I run multiple multi-million-dollar businesses, so I was busy managing one of my multi-million-dollar business. I was very busy. I'm a very busy man. I had meetings. We had things to incorporate. We had some work to do for Smart Raja concept. So we built the web trader for Dominion Markets. So that was more important than to take a lousy ass trade. Trading isn't everything. Building businesses is everything. How to buy courses? I don't know. You pay the person who's selling the course, and that's how you buy it. Thanks for the GJ sells on Twitter. Made good money. Gonna pay for YouTube Premium. Don't waste your money on that. He was playing games, obviously. Nope, we are working. So let's take a look at pound yen, pound yen, pound yen, pound yen, pound yen. 30-minute candles breaks a little bit below. Yeah, it's like a 28 pip range. I don't know. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see how well that plays out. Let me bring my camera down over here a little bit. Live for CPI tomorrow. CPI is 8:30, so 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I'm going to be live tomorrow for CPI as well. Minor resistance on 15-minute to left doesn't bother you? No, because there is a minor resistance right here at 1712, so we're going to be anticipating volume to continue price up. Do you have Dennis as a friend on Call of Duty? No. Are you live tomorrow? Yes. SRC will work. US 30? Yes. Are you a polar rider? I ride horses? Yes. Do you trade for fun? Absolutely. If you have other businesses that run well, absolutely. Why staying in front of a computer instead of going on the beach or whatever? I mean, all good, but just curious. Where the fuck do I have a beach in Pakistan? The closest beach is 4 hours flying distance away. Where the hell do you want me to go on the beach? Mr. Fran Serrano? How the hell am I supposed to go on a beach? Such a stupid comments, man. Stupid. all this life you see on Instagram, oh, you know, I do this, I do that. I don't have time for that bullshit. I don't have time. If I want to go hiking, I go hiking on the weekends. On the weekdays, I work. I straight just work. I don't have time to do all those things. Like, look, this is what we did today. So you go to dominionmarkets.com. If you have a MacBook, you can use the web terminal. If you have an iPhone and you don't have the MT5 app, you can still use the web terminal. So go to web terminal. There we go. It's going to load right here. See that? Beautiful. So amazing. Web terminal. You can zoom in. You can place trades. Let's see, we have pound yen, GBP, JPY. So this is what we implemented today. Web terminal. Go right here. See, I'm going to open up a cell. Oh, open up a cell. Boom, boom. Open the cell right here as well. And then I'm going to close the cell. Oh, yeah. It's still a little finicky. Oh, yeah, it's closed. Okay. All right. That's a fantastic idea. Thank you. Do you think of retirement? No. I think when you retire, you die. So I'm not. I love working on my thing. I just love it. Badass. Thank you. I want your opinion. Let's take a look at this over here. Let's give our opinion. Sell. No, man. There's support right there. Why are you doing this to yourself? There's support right there, Chris. Why are you even torching yourself like that? Even if you want to take a sell, take the sell once it's 30-minute, breaks the low of the previous one. Take the sell then. All right, there we go. The 15-minute candle has started. Now, if gold wants to go up, this 15-minute candle needs to break above 1710. Wick down, come up. Yep, Ryan, that's correct. Wick down and come up. Wick down and come up above 1710, and we can continue on pushing up. Got a finger on the trigger. All right, 1710. Pakistan win? Yes. We won the semifinals. How to Raja course is not out yet. How to Raja course. Ooh. This is also the break of the high of the previous 30-minute candle. Looking at the 1 hour also break of the high at that point. Looking at the 4 hour, Yeah, this is tough. 1% risk here. Probably like a $120 risk. $120 risk. It's wicking down. Yeah, we'll see. $120. So looking at price to really continue up towards, 1712, somewhere around that. I don't have a stop because I'm mentally looking at to close it at 120 because that's going to be 1% risk. Yeah. Oh. Probably going to wait to see if I can give my trade a second chance. So I'm going to close this. You can see right here, I've lost like what, 0.8%. That's fine because if I can give my trade a second chance right here as it breaks the high again, then I'm going to make that all back and I'm going to make more. So that's going to bring me in profit. So I risked 1%. That's it. That's nothing. Raja, stream at 4K. I can't see a thing. Maybe you need to change your resolution. If I buy microphone, do you get to SRC? Yes. Great to be back again. Nice seeing Raja again. Let's get this money. Yep. Let's get this money. Once we break up here again, I'm going to enter again and then we will get that money wherever, however we get it from. Trade one time at pre-London to prove them wrong. You don't take... Man, listen, I'm not going to do that. And that's actually getting very, very old. Like, why would I stream at a time when I don't want to stream? I mean, you're lucky I haven't streamed. Did you take the GJ close above resistance trade today? No, I didn't take any trade in pre-London. Raja course how to buy. It's not even out yet. If you can find it, you can find it, but it's not even out yet. Looking at pound yen, we've broken below this low 15-minute candle. The only problem I have now, in the past I've been burnt with this. The only problem I have is on the 15-minute we ranged, but since we're running in pre-London volume, that pre-London volume should continue pushing price down. So it's kind of like the same trade idea happening on pound yen that I executed on gold right here. Yeah, right here. Pre-NY volume. How did you avoid GJ buy at London session? I was busy. I wasn't looking at the charts. Is there a reason you changed the time of streaming? Yes, because it's dark outside now, and before this, I'm outside with my kids. Let's take a look over here. Is there a reason you changed the time? Oh. Trade one time in pre-London, prove them wrong. Prove who wrong? All right, you're banned from the stream. This other guy, your supporter, you're banned from the stream as well. Perfect. You shouldn't have waited. Is there a reason you changed time? Okay, perfect. We're good. Caught up with all the messages here. Let's take a look at Forex Factory. So, no news. Tomorrow we have CPI. CPI, they're looking at a higher number, 0.6. 0.6 they're looking at. They're looking at this at 0.5. It's going to be interesting to see how things play out tomorrow. Was there a way to catch the big gold move? No. For me, there was no way. Like, I saw that, I was like, oh, wow, man. It moved about 300 pips. 300 pips. So quick. There was no way. There was no way to catch that. All right, we have 200 likes. Let's get this up to 500. Happy to be here, first time since joining stream. Welcome, Mr. C. We welcome you to the bright side. Hasib Shahid caught that move. Very nice. Oh, wow, look at that. Yeah, now pound yen is going to continue pushing down. We have almost like a 30 pip range here for price to continue pushing down. And if you're taking an impulse entry here, your stops are above this 15-minute candle. Above this 15-minute candle for price to continue pushing down. But this is the only thing I'm concerned about. So if I was to take an entry here, I wouldn't go in with my full risk. I'd go in with probably like half the risk. Because if we didn't have this scenario here to the left hand side and just clean candle, I would have done that. I would have done with a full risk. Did news cause the push up on gold? The elections, I think. Did you already cover gold analysis? Yes. I think you should have magic keys to exterminate your haters. Yeah, they're probably gonna come back after a while, realizing nothing else works, and Raja Bank's, way of teaching is the only thing that majority of the time works. So they'll come back. Does SRC include how to get girls from Instagram? No, you got to do that on your own, self-study. Fake outs have been killing me on GJ. Then stop focusing on fake outs. I think you should have magic keys. Why wouldn't you do a boot camp in Canada? Because I don't like Canada. To some extent, Canada's pretty good. Like, medical care, health care, all this stuff is pretty good with Canada. Marijuana is legal in Canada. I just didn't like the way they handled the whole virus thing. I mean, I still have a house over there. It's almost paid off. It has like $250,000 left on it. But, it's still good. How to overcome greed and FOMO? The best way to overcome greed and FOMO is to, whenever you see price move in your direction and you're not in the trade, just know that this is what's going to happen again. That's it. Just know this. It's going to happen again, and you should be ready. You should study every move that moves while you're not in that trade. Just study that move. Looking at the 30-minute. Yeah. Yeah, this is just too good to just let go right here. I keep looking at it. I keep looking at it, and it keeps calling my name. This pound yen sell here for price to continue pushing down. 30-minute candle also broke the low, 15-minute as well. So I'm using half the risk right here for price to continue pushing down. I've been watching impulse entries since I started market fluidity and noticed sometimes you can get confirmation to execute on 5-minute. Do you agree? I haven't looked at that, but sometimes it works, so great. I'm too worried about the minor consolidation. Yeah, so if you still think it's going to go, just use a lower risk. I took the breakout of the 30-minute today pre-London. Maybe entered too fast. Bias was bearish on the high time frame. Oh. Do you have Canadian passport? Yes. Equities you do not do? Nothing. Gold? Oh yeah, wow. See, look at that. That was an excellent close on gold. Absolutely amazing close on gold. How can I become your student? I have never traded in before and I am beginner. You have to wait for Smart Raja concepts to release. Isn't there the same chance with sales like on GJ? Yeah, could be, for sure. For sure. But I see them much clearer on pound yen because we already dropped, we made a low, and now we're retracing to potentially continue dropping. What was your biggest loss on 5K account? The biggest loss on 5K account was lost 99 here. Entire history. Let's take a look at this over here. Oh yeah, today was my biggest loss on this $5,000 account. $99. Do you think we can go down when we break 1706.05, 1706.05? Yeah. Below here, we have clean, but this range isn't enough. It's like a 20 pip range. Isn't enough range. See, we are rejecting that same area to the left-hand side. 30-minute candle, also about to close in about 5 minutes. And we're creating a resistance for price to continue pushing down. I think this is where we can do some dynamic entries, right? Yeah. Do some dynamic entries for price to continue pushing bearish here. Yeah, so stops are kept above the 15-minute candle. But I'm patient awaiting break because I know it's a loose period loss. I'm cautious. Okay, perfect, Randy. That also sounds good. How much percentage do you risk for your 5K account? Around not more than 2%. Not more than 2%. That's what I do. Not more than 2%. What are dynamic entries? Dynamic entries are where you have a portion of a risk and then you break that portion up into 1 to 2 positions. That's what dynamic risk is. Oh, a lot of volatility just came in over here. Does studying finance degree help in trading? No, it doesn't. Wow, a lot of volume came in here at the last minute. What do you think on trading on a $100 account? Yeah, I think that's good. That's good for practice, by the way. For practice, I think that's pretty good. Yeah, look at that. $100 on one position I can make, and on the other one, I can make $100. So total 200 some dollars I can make on these positions, 200 some dollars. The candle is also about to close. So let's take a look at this here. Sometimes you amuse me. Sometimes I amuse myself. Don't worry. Sir, in Urdu, आपके basic concepts होने चाहिए. नहीं जी, English में ही होंगे. My basic concepts are only going to be in English. It would if you were a fundamental trader. No, it wouldn't help you even if you were a fundamental trader. What do you think of the Raja Banks scam video made by To Kong? What do you think? I think people have tried to expose me since 2017. Since 2017, people have been working really hard trying to expose me. But you know, every 6 months a new exposer comes along and they try their best to make memes and accounts and YouTube and Reddit and all that every 6 months. And then they go away because life catches up to them. And then a new exposer comes along. So there's an exposer factory running somewhere, and that factory keeps on churning out exposers, who focus on me way more than focusing on themselves. And I'm the only one who keeps getting money. And everyone else who focuses on themselves, they just keep getting money. But these exposers, they keep getting jealous every time we do something great. Every time. So that's amazing. Want to check gold out? Yeah, let's see here. Oh yeah, wow, look at that. Gold is also trying to push down over here now. कराची में मैजिक कीज मिलेंगी पता नहीं ब्लैक में क्या पता मिल जाए. What sort of a risk I should use for a £100 account? 0.01. That's going to be good. 0.01. You can use that. The best thing I've learned from you is, other than price action, is Forex is based on 1 to 2 risk management. I'm asset and I'm profitable since 6 months. Oh, very nice. 6-month profitable guy over here. Very nice. Can you explain why you closed the gold trade as it was going against you? Because I think that was an early entry, so I closed. And I closed thinking that maybe I can enter again once this candle breaks its own high. So that's why I closed. And now when I look at gold, I think that was a very, very good decision to make. Do you think crypto will be out when the new world currency commences? Yes. In 2026, there's going to be one world currency. Forex is going to end, and it's going to be a very tough time. So let's take a look at this right here. 30-minute candle has closed. 15-minute is also closed. This is perfect opportunity for price to move down. Let's measure this range. This is a 30 pip range for price to move down, right? Now, this is amazing. If this situation happens over and over again, I would take this trade over and over and over again, right? Because look, this candle has little to no wick on the top. Next candle is bearish. Now, this candle has to respect the high of the previous candle and then continue pushing down. And also we're running at pre-New York volume here as well. That's why. So I think it's going to be an extremely confident, easy trade that we can take a look at here slowly. But at the same time, you have to understand that maybe we may be rejecting this area here from the left-hand side as well. Okay, let's take a look at gold. Oh, wow. Gold is rejecting right from that area of the wick to the left-hand side. All right. We are coming up. We are coming up. Not looking good. Not looking good. We're breaking above the high here. It's about to break the high. If it breaks the high, there's no trade. Oh, no, no, no. Oh. Really thought that's gonna work. Really, really, really thought that's gonna work. Thank you, appreciate it. No more likes today. Let's take a look at gold over here. Nothing. I'm happy I did not take that trade. Very well done. Can you make a live stream in pre-London even if you have to pay for it? Yeah, the pay... No. Oh, did electricity go out? Electricity is gone. Yeah. Electricity is gone. People love to see you lose. That's crazy. Look at everyone laughing. Yeah, I mean, it's okay, man. Like, I didn't lose a lot. It was, I think I lost more than 2%. Oh, no, I lost 1.8%. Yeah. I lost 1.8%. I'm still within my risk. See that? So I'm still in my plan. Since you are now trading on a smaller account, isn't it affecting your trading psychology on multi-million-dollar account? No, I haven't touched my multi-million-dollar account for a while. My multi-million-dollar account is sitting at 2.3 million. And it just seems pretty odd just to talk about these numbers now because the last trade I lost was $50. $50. But last month it was made about 150,000. Most of it was from news and, you know, but for the most part, it hasn't really affected anything. Yeah, I'm not gonna try to take another trade now because, you know, like I've blown my risk. I'm at 2%, almost at 2% now. I've lost 1.8% today, so I'm not gonna try to execute another trade. So yeah, I'm not gonna do anything here today. I'm basically done for the day. Try gold sells? No. Yeah, see now it's moving down. You got range over here too, but Magic Keys and my plan is telling me that I've lost 1.8%, so I don't gonna enter another trade. You have to respect your trading plan. You beat your max loss and you've disciplined to not revenge trade? Absolutely. Why would I revenge trade? I can come back tomorrow and maybe in pre-London I can make back these gains. You know, pre-London I can fake some trades and make these gains back. Today I missed out on this beautiful move. Wow, look, this is 35 pip and this would have been an amazing move over here. So cool, but I missed it because I was working. सर लॉट साइज कितना यूज करते हो 5000 अकाउंट पे आपके सामने है यार आप अंधे हो ये देखो got a reply from the comment section on the SRC video you posted on YouTube giving out WhatsApp number. Just want to confirm if it's you. What? No, it's not me. No, it's not me. Why would I give my WhatsApp number? And you guys, the reason why people lose, okay, so losing is built in the average person's mind. An average person is going to lose regardless of how, or like, you know, how, no matter how smart they think they are, you know, it's actually built in them, losing, you know, like people can't do proper analysis. People, I think majority of the population is just stupid. So let me show you, right? So let's take a look at this comment right here. You go right here and look. This has my name on it, and then this says WhatsApp me. Like, come on, man. Like, if I comment, I have a verified account. So if I type hello, it's going to show with a check mark. Raja Banks. Check mark. Wallahi, people are just stupid. And honestly, if you guys get scammed, you guys deserve to get scammed. Sorry if that sounds mean. You guys just deserve to get scammed if you're going to get scammed like that. Something so stupid. Why do you have 7K in this account? It's profit 7,000. Oh my God. My IQ dies every time I do the live stream. Honestly. This whole day I spent doing some important stuff and my IQ was at like the highest level. We did some technical stuff. We did so much stuff technically. Programming everything. Hello. Hmm? I'm not playing games. No, there are no games. No, there are no games. No, there are no games. We're playing money games. Money games. All right. Okay, let's see over here. Even if you lose the next 100 trade in a row, it's still going to be thankful of you people are. I think this kid better trade most of you guys. I don't know. Does the red line mean up or down? The red line. Okay. How much money required to open Forex broker for your own purpose? Depends what kind of a plan you go by. Do we have to pay tax on which we get paid from MFF? Yeah, of course. You have to pay tax on any amount that hits your bank account. Raja, US 30 versus gold. What would you choose and why? I would choose gold because every time I've traded US 30, I have lost. I've lost every time I've traded US 30. And it's just been tough. Not in Dubai. I actually am in Dubai. They can't tax you if you deposit into crypto. That's correct. Raja, I made 1.2K with 0.3 buys yesterday. I'm done for the week, but maybe a sell. Oh, nice. I give permission to trade US30 and SPX. Sure. If you never withdraw, you will never have to pay tax. That's correct. But I like you hearing talk about current situation. I love learning from webinars. Thank you, Randy. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it very much. So yeah, what leverage do you suggest for a $100 account? 100 to 1 is good. 100 to 1 is good. The only reason I haven't really traded US30 is because most of the time US30 has a lot of volume at NYSE Open. NYSE Open is the time when it has a lot of volume, right? And the way my life is set up, I can't look at the charts during that time. I just can't. So it doesn't make any sense for me to trade US30 in times when there's no volume, you know. And one more thing I was looking at, and this is something a lot of people go through, right? So if you look at my balance right here, this is 11,859. If this was me 5 years ago, I would look at this and I say, man, we're at 11,850. My trading day has ended. My trading plan says I don't have to trade anymore. But what if I can take one trade to get this up to 12,000? 12,000 would look much better. Why don't I try to do that? You know, and then I'll try to do it. And then I lose. And then I'll try to make that loss back. And then I'll take another trade. And then another trade. And by the time I'm done, the account may be at 11,200 or maybe somewhere in 10,000. You know? Someone's saying 5,000. Yeah, but still 12,000 looks better. But I have to respect my trading plan. You're trading, everybody has an amazing trading plan, the winning trading plan. But the only reason it's not working is because you're not letting your trading plan work. So even though I'm like, $140 shy of 12,000, right? I'm only $140 short of 12,000. But look at this, my risk. I've already used 1.8%. So this says I don't have to take another trade. I don't have to take another trade. Do you pay tax on income to trading? Yes. How much? Oh, no, I don't. I pay zero tax because my income goes to Dubai, so I pay zero tax. My income goes to Dubai, and we have an LLC opened in Dubai that's owned by another company in the US, so I don't pay any tax over there. Yeah, fancy like that. Can you show me your settings in the comment section for your charts, please? Yeah. So I'm gonna show it to you. It's your job to screenshot it, right? So 1, 2, 3, screenshot it. Great. How many full losses have you taken in the 5K account? I think maybe 4 or 5 full losses. Exactly what I did yesterday. I was just $20 short. I entered gold sell, high leverage for 3 pips. Oh my God, 3? What the fuck are you trying to do with 3 pips? But it shot all the way up and I lost 40% of my account. Well, that's a lesson learned. I strive to have something similar. LLCs in Dubai owned by US companies. It's very easy. It's very easy, man. You literally have to go to Dubai, UAE for 2 weeks. You go over there for 2 weeks. They do your medical. They open the company. They get your visa done for 2 weeks. You go there, and that's all it's done. And you come back home, and then your ID comes in the mail after like 3 weeks. That's it. It's amazing seeing the 5K account grow so well. You have a 95% win rate in London and 30% win rate in NY. That recent NFP trade making the session overall profitable. Do you consider this a big win rate difference decision to only trade from 6 GMT to 10 GMT? Yeah, that's correct. That's correct, Uzair. I'm a little broke right now, but hell yeah, thank you. You're welcome, Raja. Can you share us what you did learn from those 2 trades? What I learned from these 2 trades? Okay, from the gold trade, I think I entered the gold trade way too early. So let's take a look at these losses, right? Let's take a look at these losses I took here today. And this is what a lot of people need to do. So this gold trade, I entered this as soon as the 15-minute candle started. So I think I entered it way too early. I would have let it form a little bit. Maybe I could have entered it maybe like, at 12, 18, 19 if it broke the high. So I think that was the mistake, but I closed it early as well, so I saved some loss over there. Pound yen, I think pound yen, I went with a lower risk, but I was confident that we can continue to push down. Looking at the 30-minute, still formed bearish, so I was confident we could continue pushing down. So I would say maybe on pound yen, it was just a probability of not working. Also at the same time, now maybe this is something that I talked about earlier on. Maybe this played a vital role in this as well. How much will be SRC? $800. Why is the New York session only 30% win rate? That's when you stream. I don't get it. You should be better during this time. Well, what do you want me to do, man? I mean, Taylor, if you have been watching the pre-New York stream for the last 3 months, you would have enough brain in you to say that, oh, well, pre-New York has been really shit the last 2-3 months. And for people who have been seriously trading pre-New York, they can agree to this, that for the last 2-3 months, it's been shit. It's been garbage, Then can you stream London? Yeah, Taylor is the troll. Yeah, I can stream London. But for me to stream London, it has to be a subscription service, because that's the time I have breakfast. And I love my breakfast. Subscription is going to be $700 a month with a 6-month commitment. Yeah, pay me $700 a month. And then we can do that. All right, let's learn great risk management from you. Thank you. I've switched from trading I switched from trading pre-NY to NYC Open. That's when the volume has shifted. Yeah, the volume has actually shifted to pre-NY to NYSE from pre-New York. Can I have your opinion? All right, let's take a look at this chart over here. This chart is gold. Ooh, yeah, it was tough, man. This was tough. This is tough. If you have market fluidity, you'll get access to SRC. Yes. I was good at demo, but I've killed me. Maybe there's something to do with risk management. That's correct. Ready to pay if give me my loss in your copy trade. Oh, hey, thanks, Ryan. Take care. Great design, Raja, on the Dominion Markets 75 web terminal. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. It's mad how volume changes. Some months it's pre-London, then it goes to Asia, then to London. Yeah. Like, you know, like if you've traded for like, you know, 2 years consistently with discipline, you notice these shifts in volume, and shifts in volume, like, you know, I think they happen every quarter, like every 4 months, 3 to 4 months. Don't you think a GJ trade, the stop loss was too tight? No, I don't think it was tight. I think if it was based on the 30-minute, it would have been a little bit too big. So that's why it was on the 15-minute, because we had volume and expected volume to continue price down. Does Magic Key ship to Jamaica? Yes. So you only need proof of funds in Dominion Markets if you're depositing more than $100,000. So you need proof that where you got the money. Dominion Markets perks, there are a lot of perks. You get education access, you get market fluidity access, you get access to web terminal, you get access to our wildly popular IB program. Our most profitable IBs are making around, you know, 5,000 to 7,500 a month passively, passive income. Is XNES good? I have no idea. I love you. You changed my life. Thank you. Donato Colonna. Can you use 1 to 500 leverage for a multi-million-dollar account? No, it's 1 to 100. Got to admire your discipline, because people after taking a loss on the smaller account would probably go and trade with the bigger account just to get a win. Yeah, you know, like. What is the web terminal? It's on dominionmarkets.com. I think 10 a.m. Eastern is where the, yes, A97, that's correct. And that's also the London close hour. 10 a.m. till 11 a.m., that's the London close hour. So a lot of volume is there as well. Anyone have the URL to the Dominion Markets web terminal? Yeah, Eric, it's right here. So you go to dominionmarkets.com, and then you go to platforms. You get the MT5 here, and then you get the web terminal right here. You click on web terminal, and then yeah, it's basically gonna log in. Yeah. And then you take a trade right here. Let's say we take a 0.01 sell. We're taking a sell right here. We close it. It's closed. You can see the history. All the history is here. So yeah. Wow. $2,200 withdrawal so far. All right. Can you review this trade I took? Let's take a look at this trade here. This is a gold, took buys that broke the previous high. Okay, so this probably you would have seen as a fake out. Okay, makes sense. Was there an issue with the trade that I missed, or was it just probability of trade not working out? This is a 30-minute time frame, so we got to take a look on the 15-minute time frame. Let's take a look at right here. 30-minute right here. You took a sell. You took a buy right here at 11 a.m. Taking a look at 11. Yeah, looked good. You know, it went up. So did you manage risk? How did you manage risk? You could have managed risk, and once this candle broke the low of the 15-minute, you could have just closed the entire trade. Just probability, I would say. On that GJSL, did you enter and break up 30-minute low? Yes. Is there any chance you would make exception if a great opportunity shows up? No. Gustavo, no. I will not make an exception to break my trading plan when my fucking trading plan says do not risk more than 2%. Because if that great opportunity is a loss, then guess what I've done? I've lost more than 2%. And then I'm going to blame myself. I'm going to cuss at myself. And I'm going to say trading is a scam. Trading doesn't work because I'm not following my trading plan. So you have to follow your trading plan. You should maybe try a stream or two next week where you start 9 a.m. Eastern and end 11 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, we'll see. So that's going to be, what time is that going to be for me? 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I don't know what time is that gonna be really. We'll see. We'll see. We'll try to get it done. All right, let's take a look at this chart over here. This is gold 15-minute. 15-minute risk setup with 0.5. Maybe it's going to be better to wait for some sort of a retracement with a resistance formed, and then we can continue to move down. I think that's going to be a much better idea. Yeah. All right. Let's see here. 6 months. I'm trading for 6 months, and today, I've been trading for 6 months, and today my dad found out, and he told me to stop trading. How did you find out? Just trade it like a hobby, you know. Trade it like a hobby. Be like, hey, you know, it's my hobby. Why don't you trade other pairs? Because I believe that once you're trading, you have to be a master of the instrument that you're trading. You know, so you can be a master of the instrument of, let's say, gold, pound, yen. But in the beginning, I used to trade like, let's say, 10 pairs. But now I only do 2 pairs. The comment section here, lower my testosterone levels. How you know it's my hobby? He'll slap you. I'm in Canada. Any platform suggestions on how can I fund my account in intermediate markets using crypto like Binance? Yeah, you can use Binance to fund. And you can also deposit via Visa card, MasterCard. Yeah. Are you still testing US30? No. Is brokers given certain restrictions on how leverage after balances multiple millions? Yeah, it's basically based on liquidity. So for my multi-million-dollar account, the max leverage I can use is 100 to 1. You know, next, once the account goes above 10 million, it's 50 to 1. And then, like, you know, like that, then like that. But, you know, can Binance fail like FTX? No, I don't think so. But I don't know much about that either. Can I purchase market security with crypto? Yep. You need to email sales. Does your account balance say 11,000? Yep. 800. Do you remember the 3 soldiers of Uncle Ted? Nope. If Binance can fail FTA, then that's the end of crypto. That's correct. If Binance fails, that's the end of crypto, basically. On demand markets, if I have 1 million and I want to take a 200K withdrawal, how long does I have some dollars with you now and thinking about moving it all? Well, if you have 1 million in it, 200K withdrawal, depends. Bank transfer, the normal time it takes. Bank transfer within the US, it takes like 2 to 3 days. Crypto takes a couple hours. Let's take a look at this chart. This is, sell over here, pound yen. This is the trade I took before stream started, retest support. Yeah, looks like it's just starting to, this is starting to range here now. Why has GJ Gold been moving so gay today? Bullish and bearish sometimes it's hard. Yeah, it's just no volume. You know, we had a lot of volume in pre-London, so maybe now we have no volume. Even especially on the gold, we have CPI tomorrow. I still don't think that having CPI tomorrow would really affect the volume today. You know, so who knows? Maybe we're gonna have volume later on. Please tell me the beta window on your left hand side, is that because you are using magic keys? Yes. Just using magic keys here. What happened to your company, Raja? My company, I don't have any funding company. Kevin covering gold says 1550. Let's see how to share my charts with you. Watch the video in description. Forex gives max leverage to 1 to 400 if you can't use after $1 million balance. Okay. Did you take your investment back from FXM funding? It's irrelevant to your success. When are you going to do FTMO? Never. Which pair you trade most? Gold and pound yen? Yeah, pound yen is just ranging now. Looking at 30-minute here as well. The candle is about to close in about a few seconds. There we go. New York Open has started. This is the New York Open. Look at this. 30-minute. If we break the low, I think we can go down, but I'm not trading anymore because my risk has ended. I have no more risk. I have no more risk left to take any trade. What do you say about US election result? No idea. I don't know. Don't care. I know it's relevant, but you shared with us about it, so I just wanted to know. That's a business decision, and I have no reason to share that. I like it too, but just so you know, I'm not partnering with them anymore. So we're breaking the low. NY Open volume. Yeah, this should continue price pushing down. Yeah. Why so dull? Did anyone scold you? I think someone scolded you, so you think I'm dull. All right, look at this pound yen over here. We're about to break above this high. 167, 182. Why market open 1 hour late? No, it didn't open 1 hour late. It still opened at 8 a.m. Imagine the market opens at 9 a.m. instead of 8 a.m. Why would that happen? Yeah, daylight savings time. Oh. All right. How can I get the beta window? It's a part of Magic Keys. You have to get Magic Keys, and then you can basically get that. Easy money on a PAM, making a minimum 50,000 deposit only to start. When you see people make 50% fee and chilling. Oh, nice. Imagine the 20 candle correct yesterday, gold. Yeah, that's going to be crazy if that candle does correct. But look at this. We are almost trying to break above this high on pound yen. We have a big old range to cover. This move happened in pre-London, so we may correct this move. All right, let's see over here. Oh, look at that retracement all the way back up. See, this was a 20 pip range, not enough range, but it retraced all the way back up. How much balance broker giving? 1 to 500 leverage. Up to how much balance broker giving? Why does the broker give you balance? You have to deposit. Let's see here. We have something is not working here. Oh. Oh, wrong number. How do you close this? All right. Yeah, gold I think is doing a deeper. Yeah, gold is just ranging here now at this point. Just a straight range. Let's see here. Could you find out the reason for big move in gold yesterday? Only news I could find was political thing. Yeah, I think it was just a political thing, some drama because of elections, and that's about it. After how much balance? 500, I think over 1 million. Recently made payment to Market Fluidity when I get the confirmation. Join 48, up to 48 hours. Roger running a call center, something like that. His live analysis gone wrong again. Oh, okay. So what? That's okay. All your analysis goes wrong. My live analysis went wrong. That's fine. All your analysis goes wrong. Is this broker allows Indian people to trade? No. Recently made payment to before I used to trade 5 to 6 pairs, lose. Now only trade gold and oil. I know their moves, so I'm profit. Oh, very nice. Very nice, buddy. That's actually very, very nice. Raja, wait early. You said something about Forex ending in 2026. How it doesn't make sense. It's not ending. What do you think about the Reddit? Oh, okay, Stroll's back again. Decided after 2 years to finally get Magic Keys. Amazing. Very, very well done. You have traded pound CAD before in your live stream. It looks like a clean pair. Not a fan of no more. No, I decided to stop trading that. I've moved on and really simplified a lot of things. Here we are. Pound yen, NY open, gold, nothing, ranging, consolidating. We are creating new zones now. We've created this new resistance, fresh zone on the 30-minute. Let's remove this from here. Looking at pound yen. Ooh, wow, yeah, look at that. We're breaking above this high now to potentially continue pushing up. I took a week off trading, just anticipating moves, had full 15 night of losses, now I'm winning paper trades. Amazing. Could you explain how giving trade a second chance and trading half times a day seemed like they kind of clash? I don't know. They don't clash at all. What if the TP of GJ breaks up would be... See, here's the thing, right? Since this current trend... Since this current trend is bearish and this candle is breaking above this high, taking an impulse entry as it's breaking above this high, I don't think this is going to be a good idea as it's breaking above the high. What's going to be better is for this candle to close above this area and then go up. Because since it's a downtrend at this point in this time frame, so we can be just moving up to create a top wick. And we don't know how far the top wick is going to be. So that's why I think it's going to be important to wait for the candle to close. The 15-minute candle is going to close in about 6 minutes. So I think it's going to be better to even wait for that to close. Oh wow, look at that. We are breaking above this area here. We have clean candles to the left hand side. If our anticipation is correct, that if we have a move in pre-London, most of the time, normally that move is corrected in New York session. So that could be happening here. How to get big tate? Going to the gym. Do you have any unlisted live streams back from 2019 and 2022? No, there are no unlisted live streams at all. Do you stream CPI? Yes. Can you advise me on this one? Let's take a look at this over. Is pre-London finished? Well, just look at the time, buddy. Pre-London is actually finished. So, oh my God, what is this? Yeah, I'm not going to read all that, man. You think I got time to read all this? No, man, absolutely not. I'm not going to read all that. Why Telegram Forex trading channels asked to invest with them if they are really profitable? Why? Because they are broke. For gold, do you think it's a wick fill is going to happen? Wick fill, I don't know. I'm not touching gold at all. Gold is in a tough spot at this point. Gold is in a very tough spot at this point. So we'll have to wait. Let's take a look at this chart. This chart is sent by Chris. Pound yen. I knew someone's going to take it. I knew it. But my whole problem is that maybe this is just making a top wick over here, especially just waiting for the 15-minute to close at this point. I was just in that trade too and collect 10 pips. Oh, very nice. Yeah, these ranges are pretty big. Even on a 15 minute, you look at the 15 minute, you look at the candle here, 15 minutes, it's a 34 pip candle on 15 minute. This is a 33 pip candle. And this 15 minute is like a 33 pip candle here as well. What's your monthly percentage? Last month I did 100%. Last month. Anyone can say I knew it will happen after the move was done. That's absolutely correct. What's the spread on gold and GJ on Dominion? Pound yen spread is higher than normal because there's a lot of volume in pound yen. So it's like 1.7, gold is around 1 pip, 1.4 pip, 1 pip. You know, it's fluctuating. My day is done. Have a great day. Raja from his student, Arizona. 1 loss, 2 wins, 3 trades. Nice, Randy. Very, very well done. Thank you for the session. I discovered you by accident in 2020 out of South Africa. Oh, Matzo, thank you. It may be a fake out. Absolutely. 2 trades is a miracle strategy. That's correct. They always ask buy or sell, but never how is Raja doing. That's correct. No one asks, hey, Raja, how you doing? They just come on and they just ask a question. But that's why we are here. When you're looking at the charts, not at live, do you do it by yourself or usually talking with a friend or something? I am actually talking with a friend at the same time too, because like, you know, we are in a group chat, so we like to talk to each other and give opinions and stuff like that. It's Victor from Miami. Hey, Victor. I'm gonna see Carlos and Leo in Dubai. They're flying over to Dubai. It's gonna be a fun time. Carlos and Leo. Carlos gave me some indica pens, and I'm like, man, puts me right to sleep. All right, the 15-minute candle has closed above this area, and this is a 25 pip candle. Even if you take a buy right here, it's going to be tough. So we did a, I recorded a impulse entries webinar today for Smart Raja Concepts, and one of the things was, I don't think if I should say it. Oh, damn. Gold continued to push down over here. Rallied on down. Look at that 1 hour. Wow. 30 pips still moving. Probably going to correct this whole thing. Damn. No confirmation. Crazy. What's happening over here? There must have been news, but there is actually no news happening here. Yeah, there's nothing. Probably just a freak correction. Yeah, fake out right back in the range. How do you do? There's a lot of trades today. Was it dynamic entries? Yeah, those were dynamic entries, but didn't really work the way we anticipated. Take a look at pound yen over here as well. See, this is where things would get interesting because this candle has really popped above this resistance around 20 pips. So it's going to be very tough, you know. I mean, if this candle popped up maybe like 15 pips or something like that, then, or like even 10, 15 pips, then there was a high probability for price to continue to push up. But since it moved up quite a bit, so it's going to be tough to anticipate that this is making a lower wick to continue pushing up. Yeah, it's going to be tough to anticipate because of that. Looks like the start of this 1 hour candle had to create top wick. Yeah, not sure why you kicked me out of Zoom call, only because didn't you mean to because you know some guy making a video on you on YouTube. Oh, okay. Yeah, because like you know those things are not necessary at all. Those things not necessary at all. I let anyone grow. I don't want that anywhere. Oh, I thought you were the troll. That's why. That's why I blocked you. Yeah, I thought you was a troll. But anyway. But yeah, like this 30-minute we did break down, but we don't know where it's going to close because this rejection right here, incredible. It's a waiting game now. This is also the Comet Comics at this point. This is the Comet Comics, and look at the 5-minute. It closed above this area. If it closed above this area, there's a high probability it can continue to push up. Only in Comet Comics this works. Only in Comet Comics. And Comet Comics is a joke if anyone's listening. Sometimes it works, but this is not the ideal position for it to be going. I think most times it works when there's in the trend. Like if it closed below this area, then it would have moved down. But as you can see right here, Comet Comics did actually push up here. Interesting. All right. Let's see here. Oh. Let's see here. Bank is calling. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wait for the 30-minute candle to close. 30-minute candle is going to close, and that's probably going to give us some more information on how or where the candle may move after that time. Can you unblock my normal account? I can't. I have to close Zoom to be able to do that. I'm sorry, I can't. Would me not trading and watching how markets move right now be considered live backtesting? Yes, that would be live backtesting. Let's see here. Yeah, it's only blocked till the Zoom over here. Okay. How do you stop the habit of overtrading? Just focus on 1 or 2 trades a day. Why you have minus online again? Start trade offline will be better. Yeah. Forex start is parting live. Nice. I think I've been a trader now better than all of you. Thanks. If it wasn't, amazing. Thank you. Pound yen going back in the range. How much lot size you can open in a day? I've opened 200 lots on my multi-million-dollar account, but I haven't tried. I think max on pound yen is 500. That's max on pound yen. Who's this? Yeah, waiting for this candle to close would be very, very important. All right. What do you do after a loss? Nothing. What I'm doing right now, just sitting and watching. That's all what I'm doing right now. Are you in Pakistan? No, not today. I love you, my soulmate. Thank you. You can see max lot size and specifications of your symbol. Right click, market, right click, and go where? Specifications. Oh, gold specifications. Gold specifications. I didn't know this. Nice. Now I know this. Commissions 3.5 per lot. Okay. Maximal volume 50. Oh, 500 lots. It's 200. Oh, contract size 100. Okay. Let's take a look at pound yen over here. Specification. Let's see here. Does it say anything? 100. It's not 100. Yeah, I don't know. Do you know that you can count pips on TradingView by holding shift? And yep, I do know that. And that's what I do in my breakdowns. If you've seen my breakdowns, low I, Mr. Low I. Gold coming back in the range now. Yes. Waiting for the candle to close is the toughest thing you can do. Is the most toughest thing that you can do. I got Magic Keys since 2 weeks ago. How can I have this small window, but I have it is like a text? I don't know. I uninstalled Magic Key, and download the latest version of Magic Keys. Yeah, download the latest version of Magic Keys, and that should fix it. Yeah, we're coming back in the range now, closing back inside, even looking at the 30-minute. This is now in this 37 pip range. Coffee hits me every day during 8:30 candle. Move was caused by smart money moving price. Awesome. Today is the perfect day for impatient traders to blow up their accounts. That's correct. Also, the button open trade is making a sound, but not opening a trade. Yeah, I mean, go to Journals tab, and this is where it's going to show you all the information of Magic Keys. And then it's going to show you what to do. And also go through the README file. It comes with it. So the 30-minute candle is closed. Gold, nothing happening here. We rejected that area. Pound yen 30-minute candle, we closed back in the range. 15-minute candle did a fake out. So if the 15-minute candle did a fake out, I think we can continue pushing down in this 40 pip range, because now we're running in volume time at this point. Look on the 30-minute right here. Look at this. That's a rejection on the 30-minute. So I think if this new 30-minute can break this low, you can anticipate volume to continue pushing price down. That's what I've seen. That's what I've seen. So we're just going to wait. Excuse me. Yeah, we're just going to wait on that. And we'll see if that actually does work at this point. Have a great session. Thank you, man. Thank you, Sam. Thank you. Thank you. Really appreciate it. You were saying something about SRC? Yes, there's a video on my YouTube. Why you put support resistance on the body of the candle, not the top of the wick? Because that's just a range. The wicks are just the ranges. I think I'm a better trader now, maybe even better than you. And all thanks to you. If it wasn't for your live streams, I would still be a loser. Thanks, Raja, for these live streams. Thank you. Do you believe oil is going up? I do think so. Long term, oil is going to continue to go up. I firmly believe that oil in the long term till 2030 is going to continue to go up. And it's going to be so expensive for people. It's going to be so taxing on your cars that everyone will be forced to get an electric car. That's what's going to happen. What's the goal for the end year of this account you reach? Yeah, the goal was to get to 15,000, and the goal was to consistently withdraw $1,000 from this account. Because $1,000 a week, yeah, $1,000 a week from this account, that was the goal. you know. And last month I withdrew $1,000, and if I can withdraw $1,000 every week from this account, I'm basically making $4,000 a month just from trading. 4,000 a month from trading. That was the whole goal. I think the first week we drew. So let me show you right here, right? So let's go over to history, and let's take a look at this right here. Entire history, right? First week we drew $150 because the gains were like, you know, whatever. And then second week, $175 withdrawal. Third week, $200. Fourth week, $500. Fifth week, $500 again. Sixth week, $1,000 withdrawal. Sixth week, $1,000. And all these trades are broken down on my YouTube. So if you go to my YouTube, I've broken all this down. Let me show you my YouTube here for everyone. Like all these weeks, so it's basically a series that I'm running. So I go to my channel, you can see right here, right? $5,000 account challenge. This is week 1, week 2, week 3. This was week 3, week 4, week 5. So every week I'm breaking down all the trades I'm taking that week. So you can check that out. So it's going to be 13 series in these. And it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Roger, starting with a $100 to $200 account is only to work on psychology. Yes, it's only to work on psychology. Do you follow indicators or only price action? Only price action. Can you explain why you didn't take the long pound? Because I wasn't looking at the charts. That's why I didn't take any trades. Please note every profitable trade is out of stream and he owns a broker and his account is on his own broker. Oh wow, Black Knight Chess Academy. I think you should stick to chess. I think trading is nothing to do with you. You should really stick to chess. Everyone have access to the internet equally. You choose the way you use it. That's absolutely correct. And everyone in the world has access to the same opportunities. It's totally up to you how you use your opportunities, how you use your time. And that's what I've done from the start. Just use my time correctly. Can you please try to save restrictions? That's strange. All right, something is breaking on my end over here. So let's see over here. Greeting from Costa Rica. Thank you. Thank you. What's the reason for the 15-minute confirmation not working out on GJ? I don't know. I think it was just probability of not working out. Also, we had some consolidation here to the left-hand side. So seems like this fake out didn't work because we didn't really break the low. We just started to go up over here. Is Forex, can you manipulate it for stop hunt? No, there's no such thing as stop hunts. Stop hunts are just excuses for people who consistently get stopped out, aka smart money concepts. Yeah, I mean, if smart money concept is so smart, why don't they get stopped out? Why do they not get stopped out? They get stopped out all the time. Greetings from Venezuela. It's been almost 3 years learning from you so far. Thank you, Francisco Ramirez. How many pairs do you check per hour? 2. Why do you choose to launch Smart Raja Concepts on Christmas Day? Because that's the time we need to compile all information. Let's see here. Yep. Still ranging over here now. Still consolidating. Nothing really happening. Nothing really happening. I can keep on listening to you and Jeevan all day without boring. Thank you. Do you trade all days a week? Yes. Yeah, sometimes I skip a day if I'm busy. That reason doesn't make sense to me. Oh, sir, can we do trading on Bitcoin? Means what you say about BTC trading is profitable or not. I have a small account, like $100. I'm 16 years old. I can take on leverage on BTC. Sure. Is it good to buy on gold if we break 1710? I think you'll need a candle to break and close above 1710. Breaking and close above 1710 would be much better. Yeah. Breaking and close would be much better. 15-minute candle is also about to close in 7 minutes on pound yen. But I'm done for the day anyway. Like I lost 1.8% of my risk. 1.8%. My total risk for the day is 2%. So I'm done for the day. Discipline is going to take me very, very far in trading. Discipline. There's no stop hunts in Smart Money Concepts. Smart Money Concepts, the whole name is contradictory to the people who use it. What advice would you give to 17-year-old making $1,500 from Forex living in Pakistan? Nothing. Good job. All right. Okay. Are you going to do SRC giveaway for the first number of subscribers to it? No. Why did you move from 6 a.m. Eastern to 7 a.m. Eastern to stream to catch some volume? But I guess we are unable to do so. But I'm gonna head off over here. I'm actually working on the side, so I'm pretty busy. So I'm gonna head off, and I will see you guys tomorrow, but only for CPI if time permits. I'll see you tomorrow for CPI. Take care, Gulag. Take care, everybody in the Zoom. Holy, what's this? A big message just came in. All right, let's take a look at this message over here. What you demonstrate me is that it's possible to live with 5K account and it's possible to grow with discipline and consistency. I'm really grateful for this, but with Smart Raja concepts will help us with psychology? No. I'm following all your tips. My results are getting better with managing risk. When price action goes against the trade, but I cannot achieve trade like you 30, 40 pips, and my trade is often 20, 30 pips. Yeah, 30. In the beginning, I was never able to get 30 to 50 pips in the beginning. Never. But what I did differently than majority of people who don't do, I would look at those big moves and I would ask myself that, okay, how could I have gotten that trade? And it all came down to confidence. The question is how to build confidence by letting tiny positions run. You let tiny positions run for 3 or 4 months. Remember, I'm saying months, not days or weeks. I'm saying months. You let them run for months. 3 or 4 months, you let tiny positions run, automatically your confidence is going to grow. Then maybe down the line, instead of letting 10% run, you're going to let 50% run because you've seen this happen over and over and over and over again. And then you're going to let the whole thing run for 30 to 40 pips. So it takes time. And once you really let your full positions run for 30 to 40 to 50 pips, after all that time, you're going to come to a point where people are going to ask you, man, how were you able to let the whole thing run for 30 to 40 pips? And you're going to say, man, you just got to give it time. It's all confidence. You got to build confidence. And they'll say, how did you build confidence? And then you're going to say, well, I let small positions run, 0.01 run. I let them run and I built confidence based on that. But it took 4 to 5 months, 6 months. So, yeah. But we'll see you Wednesday. No, Thursday. Tomorrow only for CPI. Take care. Adios, everybody.